Hi everyone, Cidalia here. Today I'm interviewing attorney Lou Victor from Victor & Goldman Law Office to answer some of your questions to why you should have an attorney represent you during the buying or selling process. Hi Lou.
Hi Cidalia, thanks for having me on.
Thank you so much. Lou, why should my sellers or any seller consider you during the transaction of the sale of their home?
It's the biggest transaction in which most people are involved, and any time you're involved in a six-figure transaction, it's a good idea to have a lawyer, specifically the negotiation of the purchase and sales agreement. If it's a multifamily, for instance, there are adjustments for security deposits and for rents that have to be made, and there are very distinct legal requirements about that. Coordinating with the bank attorney and the buyer's attorney are also important steps to take. And it's the seller's attorney who prepares the deed.
Okay. And so from a buyer's perspective, a lot of times my buyers ask me, well, if the bank has an attorney already, why should I hire an additional attorney?
The bank attorney represents the bank, and the same reasons that apply for a buyer and a seller are the negotiation of the purchase and sales agreement with the seller's attorney, coordination of the closing with the bank attorney. The bank attorney has an interest parallel to the buyers in making sure that the title is good title, and the bank attorney will issue a title certificate and title insurance, but their interest is in protecting the bank's interest, and it's only because the title is the bank's collateral that the bank lawyer is doing the title exam. So the buyer's attorney also coordinates the closing and protects the buyer's interest in particular.
Sure. So let's say we have the closing, buyers and sellers move on. Is there anything in addition to the closing that they may want to see in contact with you to further protect their home?
We would certainly hope so. We are a general practice firm with a concentration in real estate and would love to build a relationship. In particular, for instance, a homestead exemption, which protects $500,000 in equity right on top of the amount of the mortgage from any potential attaching creditors, and would preclude a real estate levy on somebody's home. A homestead exemption is great protection, but it must be declared.
Okay. So if my sellers or buyers or any seller or buyer had additional questions, how would they get a hold of you?
It's attorney Louis Victor, 1342 Belmont Street, Suite 303 here in Brockton, Mass. 508-559-1762. Lou, L-E-W, Victor at mac.com. I'm a Mac guy.
Thank you. If you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, or need to reach me, feel free to reach me at Cidalia, that's C-I-D-A-L-I-A, at kw.com, or 781-389-7252. Make it a great day.